creeps in through the dusty blinds. Coffee's on, it smells like yesterday's grind. Eggs in the skillet, they pop and they sing. Jonathan hums, it's his morning thing. He talks about rain like it's big news, and I just smile in my worn out shoes. Breakfast at Jonathan's, where time moves slow. Biscuits and gravy, a story to show. Laughter in the air, a jukebox hum. Life tastes sweeter when the morning comes. Breakfast at Jonathan's, where I belong. The counter's chipped, but it's got its charm. A map of stories etched into its arm. The waitress calls me hun like she always does. Her smile's a postcard of the town that was. The clock on the wall, it's stuck at 9. But here, no one's ever chasing time. Oh, the world's a storm, but here it's still a quiet corner, a warm refill. Breakfast at Jonathan's, where time moves slow. Biscuits and gravy, a story to show. Laughter in the air, a jukebox hum. Life tastes sweeter when the morning comes. Breakfast at Jonathan's, where I belong. It's not about the eggs or the toast, it's the way this place holds the ghosts of love and loss and things unspoken. A little haven where hearts aren't broken. Breakfast at Jonathan's, where time moves slow. Biscuits and gravy, a story to show. Laughter in the air, a jukebox hum. Life tastes sweeter when the morning comes. Breakfast at Jonathan's, where I belong. Breakfast at Jonathan's.